Well, forest fires have burnt down large hectares of land in Uttarakhand. Firefighting operations by the Indian Air Force continue in the state as raging forest fires burn down large tracts of forest and green cover at multiple locations in the state. Going on now for more than a week, the blaze has so far destroyed more than 105 hectares of lush green cover. While the fires in Pauri district were doused earlier by using 5,000 litres of water, 75 new fires reported now from the region. So Uttarakhand forest fires have become a major cause of concern. The blaze has only increased over time as the blaze has destroyed forest land. Indian Air Force now being roped in to douse the blaze. Indian Air Force relief operation is currently underway. Pictures on your screens of that blaze that we are talking about. These are in fact pictures coming to you from Pauri, which is one of the worst affected districts that we are looking at. Fires in Pauri were doused by using 5,000 litres of water. After that, again, new fires emerged. 75 new fires reported from other regions as well, which has now made this crisis grow in proportion. Let me go across to Shivani Azad from Times of India, joining us from Dehradun. Shivani Azad, your view on what exactly is happening on ground and how serious the situation is. The Air Force, of course, deployed in the operation to douse the blaze, but what has been the progress?
Well, the Air Force is here since Monday. In Kumaon region, Indian Air Force failed to actually take off the helicopters just because the visibility was so poor due to fire smoke. However, in Garhwal, the region were 6 spots were doused, and again the helicopter had to take off just because the visibility was very, very poor. Although due to some rains, the situation has improved in the state this morning. In past 24 hours, we had around 45 fire incidences, wherein 40 hectares of area has been gutted. So what's abnormal here in Uttarakhand this year is the winter wildfires. According to Forest Survey of India, this is for the first time that in Uttarakhand we saw winter wildfires, and which is actually causing havoc. We have already lost 1,830 hectares of forest area in about 1,300 forest fire incidences. And if I talk of the losses, I think around 50 lakh rupees has been lost in the past 6 months. And just to let you know, it is not just about Uttarakhand, but what I have learned from Forest Survey of India, this phenomenon of winter wildfire is happening across the country. So we access data which says in November 2019, December and January 2020, across country there were around 1,300 forest fire alerts sent by Forest Survey of India, which increased by 165% in December 2020 and January 2021. So it's a new phenomenon, and the scientists in Forest Research Institution Dehradun, they are saying it's probably to do with the climatic changes and anthropogenic pressure. So a lot of pressure on the forest overall. So these are the factors which are actually causing the forest fire. And to specifically talk of Uttarakhand, we have lost around 48,000 of forest area in past 20 years, and all due to pine needles and of course the man-made fires.
Right. So what would be the immediate fallout of this? There will be obviously huge environmental damage. There will be a fallout that has to be in fact felt by the human species as well. When this kind of a green cover is lost, it's irreparable damage, Shivani.
Absolutely, it is. Like, unfortunately, we saw Chamoli, the rainy incident, wherein large flash flood had happened, and now the environmentalists are worried that the glaciers will start melting at a faster pace. And we are already witnessing that in Delhi NCR region, already the air pollution has started. So, of course, the smog is increasing. So, it is unfortunately going to have a lot of impact on the green area of Uttarakhand. Yes. And we are already seeing the water
All right,
as well.
Thanks so much for joining us and for sharing with us. Sharing the facts and figures with us, Shivani Azad. Thanks for giving us your time.